There are tons of videos about Subaru modifications online that give incomplete advice and people actually follow it. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the modifications I've done to my Subaru that make it faster, safer, and more enjoyable to drive. And at the end, I'll tell you about the modification that has made the most impact. One of the first modifications I chose was a new clutch. I chose a twin disc street performance clutch that helps me both on street and on track. When you choose a new clutch, you want to make sure that you're choosing for your driving style. If your Subaru is your daily driver, then you want to get a clutch that's going to be softer, have smoother engagement. And if your Subaru is your racing car, then you want something that quickly engages to give you that immediate performance straight out of the gate. Getting the wrong clutch for your driving style can make your driving experience unpleasant. A racing clutch is quick to engage. It is hard, fast, on or off, whereas a clutch for daily driving is smoother engagement. It allows you to ease on and ease off as you're driving through the streets and through traffic, whereas you wouldn't want a racing clutch necessarily to daily drive because you will get a lot of chatter, a lot of shuddering, and it just makes driving a little more challenging when you're in traffic. I would highly recommend that you do your research and get the clutch that best works for you. One of the more important upgrades I did recently was a larger oil pan. We all know Subarus are notorious for having issues with oil consumption or oil loss or throwing a rod because of lack of oil. So I upgraded my oil pan to a larger oil pan with a high flow pickup to ensure that the oil is getting through my engine when I need it to, especially on the track cornering, and that oil is moving around. Having a larger oil pan will definitely help. Without a larger oil pan, you potentially run the risk of causing oil starvation in your car. Not so much if it's a daily driver, but if you are doing any high performance driving, racing on the track where you are cornering more than not, you could run the risk of damaging your engine. So having a larger oil pan does help to ensure that there is more oil there when your car needs it. Another modification that I did to my car was to upgrade the front and rear sway bars. I would find driving on the track that my car would nosedive a lot or lean when I was taking corners. Installing larger, more robust sway bars, it stabilized my car, kept it level, reduced the nosediving and body roll taking corners on the track. These are some modifications that you don't physically see but really do impact your driving performance. I would highly recommend sway bars. And as promised, I will tell you about my most favorite modification installed on my Subaru thus far. It would be the Dark Matter X short throw shifter. This modification is my favorite because it has impacted my driving performance, whether I'm on the street, whether I'm on the track, whether I'm in traffic. It is by far the best shifter on the market. I have run the Subaru OEM shifter. I've had other aftermarket shifters, and to be honest, this shifter is unmatched. It is a complete shifter replacement that takes out all the OEM components, all of the plastic. It bolts directly to the chassis. The shift and throw is 50% less than what you would find with the OEM shifter. It is notchy, it is precise. The centering mechanism helps guide you into gears to reduce misshifting. I can't say enough good things about this shifter. I am on my fourth because every revision has something better that I just have to have. So if you don't have a Dark Matter X shifter for your Subaru, you are definitely missing out. These are just some of the modifications that I've installed on my Subaru that have made my driving experience that much better. Let me know in the comments below what you've installed on your Subaru that has made your driving performance that much better. And if you have any questions about the Dark Matter X shifter, throw them in the comments below.